Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily put tissue paper in a gift bag and how to use worn tissue. I'm also going to show you alternative items to use instead of tissue to make your gift bag look beautiful and elegant. So let's get started. I'm going to show you the way that I put tissue in a gift bag. Take 2 pieces of tissue paper and arrange them as shown. Fold the tissue paper in half so the pointed corners are showing. Then smooth it out with your hands. Fold each side into the middle. Grab the pointed bottom and twist it all together. Place the tissue in a bag for a beautiful gift bag. I have this beautiful piece of tissue paper and I'm going to show you how to put it in a small gift bag. Here's a quick and easy way to put tissue in a gift bag. Cut the piece of tissue paper in half. Put one piece down and put the other piece on top lengthwise. Fold the tissue paper in half so the pointed corners are showing. Fold each side into the middle. Gather and twist the bottom. Place the tissue in a bag for a beautiful gift bag. I have this gift bag and I accented it with ribbon and I wanted to put multicolored tissue in there. So this is how I do it. One piece of tissue down and I put another piece at a slight angle so the points, this point is up on this side and this other point's on this side. I fold it in half, fold it up in half so you have the 2 points right here. Then you have the points on the other side and move this over just a little bit so the points are even. There you go, like this. Smooth it up, fold this up towards the middle. Fold it up towards the middle. Now look at this, you got the points all there. All you have to do is gather the bottom and fluff it like it's a bouquet of flowers. So easy, it's fluffy. All the points are showing. Put it in the gift bag. There you go. That's it. The bag is a little bigger, so I wanted to use 2 of these. Made 2 in different colors. I just put the green on the bottom on this one and the pink on the bottom on this one. So I'm putting these 2 together, fluff them up. These look really nice. I'm going to put it in the gift bag like this. Look how pretty that looks. It's really nice. I love this. So easy. Let me know what you think. I'm going to show you how to make wrinkled tissue paper smooth and pretty so you can use it in a gift bag. I take a piece of paper because you want to make sure that the ink doesn't bleed through onto your ironing board. And then I put a plain piece of paper down and one on top. And then I have a warm, dry iron and I slowly iron it. And it may be fine if I don't use this paper, but there's a lot of dyes in it and I just want to make sure it doesn't mess it up. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ooh, look at that. Look how smooth. Look at the difference between this one and that one. It only takes a few minutes to make the tissue not look worn. Just spread it out. This will fix the problem of reusing worn tissue from tissue bags. Look at that. It's kind of fun to do actually. I like it. There you go. Perfect tissue paper. No longer wrinkled. Look how pretty that is. Ready to put in your tissue bag. If you don't have tissue paper or you just want to do something a little different, you can use wrapping paper. I've already cut a piece out like this and I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to use this gold piece of wrapping paper because I think it would look really good with the gift bag I have. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to fold it in half and I want to cut a curve and I'm not going to draw it, I'm just going to eyeball it. Since it's folded in half, whatever I do on one side is going to show up on the other side. Cut that curve. Take it. Now this wrapping paper is a little wrinkled because it's a foil wrap, but it's okay. It'll turn out really pretty when it's done. So what I do is fold it like a fan, just the accordion style. It's amazing what you have. Just a little piece is all you need. So maybe this piece was too small to actually wrap something except for a very tiny gift, but it's perfect for what I want to do. See, look at this. It's a nice little fan. So you can't even tell that it was wrinkled. How pretty that is. Now what I do is I fold the end up like this. I'm going to use some tape. This is nice. I think people really like having this gift because they can save it. Now you fan it out. Got this beautiful little fan that is silver, but I think for this bag, I want to go with the gold. Look how pretty this is. And it's a fan. So you pull it out like this, and you just put it in your gift bag. And it fits right in the notches right there. And you can make it as big or small as you like, but I like this side. You see how the curved edges? Looks really, really nice. This is very elegant. I love this. And you can make these ahead of time and just put them out if you have pieces of wrapping paper. So when you're wrapping a gift bag, you can just grab one of these and put it right in. So easy. What do you like better, the gold or the silver? I think I like the gold. Another alternative to using tissue paper in a gift bag. I had this tool. You can use tulle or you can use fabric or ribbon, but I had this. So I am just going to make loops out of this. This is really pretty. This would make a really elegant bag. This is what I had, so I'm going to use what I have. I think fabric would also look really nice. And a wide ribbon. So I'm just making loops, and then you put it together. I do 3 loops on each side. And this is naturally stiff, so I'm going to use a twist tie, put it all together. Twist ties are some of my favorite things because I use them for so much. Twist it together, just get some scissors and cut it. Then you fluff it. This is also something you could make ahead of time and just put it in the gift bag. And it's extremely forgiving because it's not going to wrinkle. And it just, how fluffy that is. It's pretty. And put it in the gift bag. Just like this. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love that. I love this. This is very nice. And they can save it. And they'll be excited to see something different. And you can get this tool at the craft store or even the Dollar Tree. I like to stock up on this stuff, and you can do it in different colors and save these and just put them inside. I'm going to show you another alternative to using tissue paper to put in a gift bag. I got this lei from the craft store, or you can probably get it at the party store or Dollar Tree. And just put it in there. Look how pretty that is. And that is perfect for a summer gift. And it matches the bag perfectly, and someone would love to have it. They open it up and they get an extra present. It's very pretty. Look how easy this is. It's beautiful. I love it. And there's no effort. You just have these laying around, you just snatch the bag and put it in. Just like that. It's pretty. Let me know in the comments below which one you like best. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time. Bye.